Hello friends, welcome to this channel Fundamentals of Engineering. Subscribe this channel to explore engineering knowledge. In today's session we are going to see how we are going to find out the eigenvalues of 2 by 2 matrix. So this example you will get in different examinations like competitive exams, GATE or ESE, where the 2 by 2 matrix is given and we have to find the eigenvalues. So detailed explanation we are going to see in this lecture. If you missed the lecture series of mathematics, the earlier part, the link is available in description box, you can check it. So now this is our matrix, which is a 2 by 2, means 2 row and 2 columns are having 8 minus 4 2 2. So now we have to find out the eigenvalues for this matrix. So for the finding out the eigenvalues, first we have to write the characteristics matrix. What is that? Matrix A minus lambda I, where A is the given matrix, lambda is a constant and I is a identity matrix. So characteristic matrix which we are getting, A is given matrix, lambda is a constant, I is a identity matrix. So now for this matrix, to finding out the eigenvalues, we are going to write down the characteristics matrix. So we are having A minus lambda I. A means this matrix 8 minus 4 2 2, right? Then minus lambda identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1. So this is our identity matrix. So we can write here 8 minus 4 2 2 minus lambda, we can multiply with this identity matrix. So we are getting lambda 0 0 lambda. So now we can write this characteristic matrix like 8 minus lambda minus 4 2 2 minus lambda. So this is our characteristics matrix which we are getting. So if you have taken the determinant A minus lambda I of this characteristic matrix, then it is called as characteristics polynomial. And if you take this determinant, characteristic polynomial determinant is equal to 0, then we are getting the characteristic equation. If you take the characteristic polynomial is equal to 0, that A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So we got this A minus lambda I as determinant 8 minus lambda minus 4 2 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. So we have to get the determinant, then we'll get the eigenvalues. So now we'll take the determinant. So 8 minus 4, that is cross multiplication we are getting, into 2 minus lambda, 8 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda plus minus 4 into 2, minus 4 into 2 is equal to 0, right? So here we are getting 8 into 2, that is 16, then 8 into minus lambda, that is minus 8 lambda, then minus lambda into 2, that is minus 2 lambda, and minus lambda into minus lambda plus lambda square we are getting, then minus 4 into 2 8 minus 8 into minus that plus 8 we are getting is equal to 0. So here this equation we can write down lambda square minus 8 minus 2 lambda, we are getting 10 lambda, 16 plus 8, that we are getting 24 is equal to 0. So now this equation we can write down again like this, lambda square minus 6 lambda minus 4 lambda plus 24 is equal to 0. So we have splitted this 10 lambda minus 10 lambda like this, minus 6 lambda minus 4 lambda. So here from this we are getting lambdas common, so lambda minus 6 we are getting here, and from this 2 we are getting minus 4 common, lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. So here we are getting lambda minus 6 is equal to 0 and lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. So now we are getting lambda 6 and 4. Lambda is equal to 6 and 4. This is our nothing but eigenvalues. Eigenvalues for the given matrix. Eigenvalues for the given matrix. So in this way you can find out the eigenvalues for the given matrix. Any matrix you are given. So first you have to build the characteristics matrix, then you have to get the characteristic polynomial, then you have to get the characteristic equation, means whatever the characteristic matrix is equal to 0 you have to take, then you will get the eigenvalues for the given matrix. So in this lecture we have seen how we are going to find out the eigenvalues for 2 by 2 matrix. If you like it, please stay connected and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.